What's going on, everybody? It's now 4:45 on this Tuesday. I just got an order with GrubHub for Nico Japanese restaurant, so I'm heading there now. I did not have any blocks scheduled today, and then I went on the app about 15 minutes ago, and there were 3 blocks available. So I have a 4 to, I think 5:30, a 6 to 8, and a 8 to 9 or 8 to 9:30, something like that. So I picked up like 5 hours, which is awesome. I'm assuming either it's busy or people dropped their shift because they are sick or something. But I need the money, so that's pretty awesome. Yesterday, I got an update about my program level, because they do that every Monday. And last week I was partner. If you've been watching my GrubHub videos, you know that I've been trying to become either a pro or a Premier driver. And I was actually bumped up to Premier. So that means I get early access to scheduling, first access to catering orders if available. It says like a referral bonus if I refer new GrubHub customers, I guess, like with my referral code. I didn't get anything on that, so I don't really know how that works. And I think some other bonuses, like some perks, I think discounts on, like, I don't know, car maintenance or something. But I'm excited to see if I end up making more money now that I'm a higher tiered driver. We'll see what happens. I know I'll be able to schedule a lot more, considering access is now 10 a.m. Thursdays, where before it was 10 a.m. Saturdays, so I should see a lot of shifts available. And GrubHub has kind of been my rock lately. That's where I've made the bulk of my money, so we'll see how it goes. I'm about to go grab this food and start my night. After dropping off that GrubHub order, I turned on all the apps just to see what I could get. And I ended up getting an order for delicious crepes and waffles on Postmates, which is this little food truck right here. I've never been there before, but I'm gonna hope that it's quick. I can't imagine it would take too long to make a waffle, and that's what the order is a waffle. So I'm gonna go do this Postmates order, and then I'll probably switch back over, turn all the apps on. I have until 6 when my next GrubHub block starts, so I'll probably use Uber Eats and Postmates until then, but we'll see. It depends how long this order takes. The bad thing about that Postmates order for the crepes and waffle place, I forgot the exact name, Delicious Crepes and Waffles, was it was a short drop-off location, so I only got paid $3.01, even though I waited 28 minutes. So that sucks. Or $3.10, waited for 28 minutes, $1.65 pickup, 80-cent drop off, 2 cents for my wait time, 0.28 minute. No, that's wrong. I'm gonna have to contact them because my wait time is wrong on that. It was 28 minutes, not 0.28 minutes. And then 1.4 miles. So hopefully I could get that wait time updated. I mean, it's still not gonna make a huge difference, but it will make somewhat of a difference. Yeah, I don't know, that's strange. But the cool thing is I did get $22.91 or something like that while in tips yesterday and today. So even before I did my first order, I had like $23 in tips from last week, and actually my oldest one was actually January 2nd, so that's pretty crazy. I have GrubHub, Postmates, and Uber Eats on right now, and I'm just waiting for my next order. Making that money tonight. I just got an offer for Rocco's Pizza for $13.04. So Orders with GrubHub have been really good so far tonight, which is awesome. And I'm staying busy. I haven't had to wait long. I literally read one page in my book, and I just dropped off that Postmates order like 7 minutes ago. So things are busy. It's a Tuesday night. I know multi-apping definitely helps, but it could also have to do with me getting promoted to Premier. I'm not too sure. We'll see how the night goes. That GrubHub order went pretty well. It was an easy drop-off for the Rocco's Pizza. I just arrived to Mezzo Thai Fusion, so I'm going to mark that I'm here. They have 5 items. I hope it's all ready. The last time I was here, it's been a little while, but there was quite a wait. The good news is things are pretty steady tonight, and I'm actually pretty busy, busier than I thought for a Tuesday. So we're out here making that money. I'm about to go grab the food. I ended up getting a delivery for a taco truck that was pretty far out, but I just hit accept because of how high paying it was. And the cool thing is they said, oh, it said you weren't going to be here for another 5 minutes, just give me a few minutes. I'm like, okay, yeah, that's fine. And then I asked for 2 tacos because I had a couple dollars cash on me and I'm hungry. I didn't have the chance to eat dinner. And he goes, I go to pay, he goes, no, it's on me. So I got 2 free tacos because he said I was nice to him. And he said a lot of times when he says that to delivery drivers, they just cancel the order and leave. So I'm about to eat some food real quick, and then I'm headed to Red Robin because I got another offer from them. It's been a busy night. I don't know if it's Premier or not, but either way, I'm happy. I'm making some seriously good money tonight. I don't know if it's because I'm now a Premier driver or what, but I've been getting constant orders with GrubHub. They're all pretty good pay. And I'm just super excited to be out delivering. I'm up to like $76 between GrubHub and then that $3 Postmates order, and it's only 8 o'clock and I'm still out. My last block ends at 9:30 with GrubHub. My lowest offer so far is like $13. So that's super awesome. And then I also just got an offer for Atomic Ale Brewery and Eatery, so I'm headed there. That's actually a $12 offer, so I'm up to so what was it, 76? That puts me up to $88. So things are really good tonight. Busy making that money. I don't know if it's because I'm Premier or what, but so far things are looking good as a Premier driver. Things are staying super busy. I just got to Firehouse Subs for another order, which is awesome. The night's been going really well. I only have about a half hour left though, so I'll be done pretty soon. I just got to Red Robin for yet another GrubHub order. Man, it's 9:10 p.m. Done several orders tonight. It's just been super busy. I think it's all thanks to me reaching the Premier level. I really don't know. I've never been a Premier driver, so it's hard for me to say, but that's what I'm leaning towards. If you've been a Premier driver and any of the other ranked drivers, partner or pro, and you've had better luck at a certain level, let me know how that works out for you. I did have a little wait picking up the food, but I got that free fry cup, so that's awesome. About to go drop off this food, maybe do 1 or 2 more orders, and I'm done. It's now 9:56 p.m. I'm going to do my earnings update for the day. So I only ended up doing 1 order with Postmates for, I got $3.10, but my wait time was wrong, so I have to reach out to them and see if they could adjust it. With GrubHub, I got $104.40, so I made some good money. If you go to my earnings activity, the lowest paying order was that $8.09. Everything else was above 10. So it was a super busy night, especially for a Tuesday. And then I also got a $4 cash tip on my last order. So I got paid $111.50 tonight, and it was 5 hours of work. So that comes out to, let's see, $22 an hour. I haven't had a night like that in a while. Might get a couple hours where I'm making that kind of money, but I haven't had anything steady throughout the night with that good of pay, especially on a Tuesday. Usually that's a pretty slow day of the week. If you like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.